Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick burger at home, updated. Preheat a skillet over medium-high heat and form 4 4-ounce patties, gently pressing a shallow dimple into each. Salt both sides just before they hit the pan. Cook about 3 minutes per side for medium, add cheese in the last minute, and rest the patties briefly before stacking on toasted buns with your favorite toppings. Start by prepping everything in parallel to shave minutes off cook time. Slice onions, wash lettuce, and grate cheese while the skillet heats. Shape patties quickly and season right before cooking to keep juices locked in. While patties cook, toast buns in the same pan to absorb flavor and speed cleanup. Assemble immediately after resting so the cheese melds and the bun stays warm, creating a fast, satisfying burger experience. If you're enjoying this quick burger guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful recipes. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after grocery runs and drive-through nights, because life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you want more small kitchen tips, I'll share them next. Now let's get back to the video. Keep flavors balanced with simple tricks that take seconds. Season patties with salt and pepper, add a small pat of butter to the pan for better browning, and use a bright condiment like mustard or pickles to cut richness. Consider quick caramelized onions by cooking slices low and slow while patties rest. These small touches make a fast burger taste intentional and delicious without adding prep time or complexity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.